Hello. In this video, we'll show you how to use Panda Patch Management to deal with vulnerabilities in operating systems and third-party applications on Windows endpoints and servers. Panda Patch Management is an automated and real-time tool which does not require new deployments or the installation of new agents, as it is fully integrated in all of our endpoint security solutions. From the web console, go to the Settings tab and click Patch Management in the side menu. The module discovers any missing patches by default and automatically once a day, although we can change the settings to a different search frequency, even every hour, and specify the criticality of the patches we want to discover. The dashboard also classifies patches according to their criticality. There are three types of patches. Security patches, ordered by severity. These patches are necessary to reduce the attack surface and can be classified as critical, important, low, or unspecified. There are also non-security related patches, also grouped by criticality and related to software flaws that could lead to errors or affect program performance. And finally, service packs, which include all types of patches and even functional improvements. Click on View All Patches to find all missing patches or those for specific vulnerabilities. In the list of available patches, we can see the patching status of our computers and servers and all patches pending installation. From here, we can perform the following actions: install, schedule installation, view all available patches for the computer, and view which computers have the patch available. Going back to the dashboard, click View All End-of-Life Programs to see the computers on the network with obsolete software. This software is no longer supported by the vendor. Bear in mind that these programs are potentially dangerous as they will have unpatched vulnerabilities. If we want to update computers with the missing patches discovered, we just select one or several computers and schedule an installation task or install a patch directly. As we can see, a new task has been created, which will be run in order to complete the installation of the patches. However, we can also create a policy to update a specific group of computers with critical patches through the Computers tab. We can use filters such as operating system or group. We can also configure a patch installation task. We can select the task recipients, the time the task will be launched, the criticality of the patches, and we can decide when to complete the installation of the patch. Once saved, we just publish it in order to run the task. Going back to the dashboard, we can monitor the patches applied, the status of the computers, and even the computers that have restarts pending. To do this, we just click on Patch Management Status to set the filter conditions, and we'll see the computers that need to be restarted to complete the installation of the patch. We can also monitor the patch installation history to ensure that patches have been properly installed, or even check that the tasks created are running correctly and that the patches are installed. The new Panda Patch Management module is integrated in Panda Security's endpoint solutions, and it provides centralized, real-time visibility of vulnerabilities, missing patches and updates, and unsupported software both inside and outside the corporate network.